If your air conditioning unit is running nonstop but still not cooling your place, you've got to check a few key things to get it back on track. First off, make sure your refrigerant levels aren't low, because that's usually why AC units struggle to cool. If you notice ice building up on the coils or the air feels warm even when the unit is blasting, it's a sign the refrigerant might be leaking or just low. Next, take a look at the compressor. It's basically the heart of your AC, and if it's not working right, your whole system suffers. You can try resetting the circuit breaker or cleaning around the compressor to keep it from overheating. Also, don't forget to check your air filters. Dirty filters make your AC work harder and less efficiently. Keep the outdoor unit free from leaves, dirt, and debris so air can flow properly. And hey, setting your thermostat too low won't actually cool your home faster, it just makes the unit run longer. Lastly, having a programmable thermostat can help you run your AC more smartly without wasting energy. These tips can save you from calling a technician for small fixes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their air conditioning units is ignoring low refrigerant levels, which leads to constant running without cooling properly. Fixing this means calling a certified technician to recharge the system safely. Another common problem is a faulty compressor. If it's weak or damaged, the AC won't cool effectively, so replacing or repairing it quickly is crucial. The third issue is clogged air filters and blocked outdoor units. These restrict airflow, causing the system to overwork and barely cool your home. Regular cleaning and filter changes solve this easily. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who can handle these AC problems without any hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for their skills and grow their business smoothly.